Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and choose a theme on ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started using the application, but first things first, the first time you are ever opening up the application, you're going to be greeted with a 7-day free trial that you can start or to purchase a subscription, because this application cannot be used for free. So once you start your trial, it's going to take you to this home page from where we can get started choosing a theme. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen, we can find all the sections we can access, and we have the themes option right here from where we can get started selecting which theme we want to be on. So as you can see at the top of the screen, we have the option to click to filter themes. So once you click this, you can go and select your exercise styles, bodybuilding, CrossFit, HIIT, and so on. All of that is going to be selectable right here, equipment and everything you need. And after that, you can click apply filter. This is going to filter out the best themes and best coaches that you have for your exercise styles. So you can go ahead and check it out for yourself to see which theme is best for you. Once you're done, just click on the theme you want to start with right here, and it's going to enable you to start with your training regime, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.